we will discuss about the exercise 8.4. When I have taken first class of trigonometry, I have solved the trigonometric identities. So I am going to solve question number first. It is given, express the trigonometric ratios sin A, sec A and tan A in the term of cot A. Sin A, sec A and tan A in the term of cot A. Again, we will recall the formulas. How can we write sin A in the term of cot A? We have idea. We know that cosec square theta, at the place of theta we will write A, cosec square A minus cot square A equal to 1. That means we can write cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. We have idea, when we will change the side of the square, it will be a square root. So cosec A equal to under root 1 plus cot square A. That means also we have idea, cosec is the multiplicative inverse of sine. So 1 by sine A equal to under root 1 plus cot square A. That means sin A is equal to, here we have changed a lower part and upper part. So that side also we will change. That means 1 by under root 1 plus cot square A. It's our result of sin A in the term of cot A. Again, for sec A, now we will apply the formula for sec. We have idea, sec square A minus tan square A equal to 1. So sec square A equal to 1 plus tan square A. That means sec square A equal to, now we will change the tan in the term of cot. So we will write here 1 by cot square A. Again, we will write sec square A equal to cot square A plus 1. Cot square A plus 1 by cot square A. So sec A is equal to under root cot square A plus 1 by cot square A. Now we will write under root cot square A plus 1 and cot square A, square root of cot square A is equal to cot A. So answer will be under root cot square A plus 1 by cot A. Sec A is equal to, and tan A is equal to, tan A is equal to 1 by cot A. It's our result for sin A, sec A and tan A in the term of cot A. Question number 2. We are going to write all ratios, that means sin A, cos A, tan A, cot A and cosec A in the term of sec A. Solution. We know that sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. That means sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A and sin square A is equal to 1 minus. अब हम लोग cos स्क्वायर ए को सेक के टर्म में तोड़ेंगे, क्योंकि हमको साइन का वैल्यू सेक के टर्म में लाना है. लिखेंगे हम यहाँ पर सेक स्क्वायर ए, यानी साइन स्क्वायर ए इज इक्वल टू सेक स्क्वायर ए माइनस 1 बाई सेक स्क्वायर ए. यहाँ 1 है यानी 1 बाई 1 एलसीएम हो गया सेक स्क्वायर ए, इसलिए सेक स्क्वायर ए माइनस 1 बाई सेक स्क्वायर ए. सो साइन ए इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट, यहाँ स्क्वायर है इधर जाएगा तो स्क्वायर रूट हो जाएगा, अंडर रूट सेक स्क्वायर ए माइनस 1 बटा में सेक स्क्वायर ए. सेक स्क्वायर ए का स्क्वायर रूट सेक ए होगा, लेकिन सेक स्क्वायर ए माइनस 1 का स्क्वायर रूट नहीं निकलेगा, इसलिए हम इसको लिखेंगे अंडर रूट सेक स्क्वायर ए माइनस 1 बटा में सेक ए. सेक स्क्वायर ए को स्क्वायर रूट से बाहर निकाल दिए सेक. Here we have the value of sin A. So now we can write cosec A is equal to 1 by sin A. So cosec A is equal to 1 by sin A means under root sec square A minus 1 by sec A. That means sec A by under root sec square A minus 1. This is the value of cosec A. After that, cos A. Cos A means 1 by sec A. After that, tan A. We have idea. We know that sec square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. Sec square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. That means sec square A minus 1 is equal to tan square A. क्यों? जब साइड चेंज करते हैं तो साइन भी चेंज हो जाता है. इधर प्लस 1 है, इधर आकर माइनस 1 हो जाएगा, इधर माइनस tan स्क्वायर है, इधर जाकर प्लस tan स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. अब सेक स्क्वायर ए प्लस सेक स्क्वायर ए माइनस 1 इक्वल टू tan स्क्वायर ए. हमें tan का वैल्यू निकालना है, तो tan ए इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट सेक स्क्वायर ए माइनस 1. इधर स्क्वायर है, इधर जाकर स्क्वायर रूट हो गया. सो cot A is equal to cot A means 1 by tan A, and the value of tan A is equal to sec square under root sec square a minus 1. Question number 3. Evaluate first sin square 63 degree plus sin square 27 degree by cos square 17 degree plus cos square 73 degree. Solution. We will change sin square 63 degree. That means sin square 63 means 90 minus 27 degree. 90 minus 27 is equal to 63 degree plus sin square 27 degree by cos square 17 means 90 minus 73 degree plus cos square 73 degree. We know that sin square 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So cos square 27 degree plus sin square 27 degree by sin square 90 minus theta is equal to cos square theta. That means cos square 90 minus theta is equal to sin square theta. At the place of theta we will write 73 plus cos square 73 degree. You know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So cos square 27 plus sin square 27 is equal to 1 by sin square 73 plus cos square 73 is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. So the value of sin square 63 plus sin square 27 by cos square 17 plus cos square 73 is equal to 1. Again, second of third. Sin 25 cos 65. Sin 25 degree cos 65 degree minus sin 25 degree plus cos 65 degree plus cos 25 degree and sin 65 degree. We will change here sin and there cos. Solution. Sin 25 means 90 minus 65 and cos 65. Cos 25 means cos 90 minus 65 and sin 65. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 65 degree plus cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Sin 65 degree into sin 65 degree. Here cos 65 into cos 65 is equal to cos square 65 degree plus sin 65 into sin 65 means sin square 65 degree. We have idea sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So cos square 65 plus sin square 65 is equal to 1. It's our answer. First of all, 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a. 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a. We will take 9 as common, then we will get sec square a minus tan square a. We have idea about sec square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. So at the place of sec square a minus tan square a, we will write 1. Then we will get result 9. So our option will be D. Second, 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta. 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. It will be solved after changing the another ratios into sin and cos. 1 plus tan means sin theta by cos theta. Sec means 1 by cos theta. 1 plus cot means cos theta by sin theta minus 1 by sin theta. We will take cos as LCM. Cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 by cos theta into sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 by sin theta. Here again we will write cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 by cos theta into sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 by sin theta. We are watching here a plus b into a minus b. We have idea a plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square. So we will write cos theta plus sin theta whole to the power 2. Sin theta plus cos theta whole to the power 2 minus 1 square by sin theta cos theta. Sin theta cos theta. Sin theta plus cos theta means sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 by sin theta cos theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So again we will write 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus 1 by sin theta cos theta. Sorry, here minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. 2 sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. Sin theta cos theta cancel. Then our result will be 2. It's our answer. So option will be C. Plus tan A into 1 minus sin A. Sec A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A. We will change sec in the term of cos. Sec A means 1 by cos A. Tan A means sin A by cos A. Into 1 minus sin A by 1. LCM is cos A. We will write 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A by 1. We are watching 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A. Then 1 minus sin square A by cos A. It means we have idea 1 minus sin square A means cos square A. Cos square A by cos A. It means cos A into cos A by cos A. cos A cancel. Result will be cos A. So our option will be D. One plus tan square A by one plus cot square A. 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A. 1 plus sin square A by cos square A by 1 plus cos square A by sin square A. Again, LCM is cos square, so we will write cos square A plus sin square A by cos square A. Whole by LCM is sin square A, so sin square A plus cos square A by sin square A. Here fourth term, so we have idea 1 into 4 by second into third. So cos square A plus sin square A means 1. 1 by cos square A into sin square A by sin square A plus cos square A means 1. So we will get sin square A by cos square A. Sin square A by cos square A means tan square A. It's our result, and option will be D. Question number first of fifth. It is given cosec theta minus cot theta whole to the power 2. Cosec theta minus cot theta whole to the power 2 equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. We have idea, if the terms are given other than sin or cos, then we will change that term in the term of sin and cos. Here LHS cosec theta minus cot theta whole to the power 2 equal to cosec means 1 by sin theta minus cot means cos theta by sin theta whole to the power 2. Means we will take sin theta as common, that means LCM, so we will get 1 minus cos theta whole to the power 2. Here a minus b to the power 2, that means 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by sin square theta. We have idea sin square theta means 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by 1 minus cos square theta. Here a square minus b square. So again we will write 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta cancel. Our result will be 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. We have gotten RHS. It's RHS proved. It's our final result. Cos A by 1 plus sin A. Cos A plus plus sin A by cos A equal to 2 sec A. LHS cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A. Here LCM is cos A into 1 plus sin A. After that we will get cos square A plus 1 plus sin A whole to the power 2. Because when LCM is cos A into 1 plus sin A, and we will divide this by 1 plus sin A, we will get cos A. Cos A into cos A is equal to cos square A plus cos A by cos A we will divide cos A into 1 plus sin A, then we will get 1 plus sin A, and 1 plus sin A will be multiplied 1 plus sin A, then we will get 1 plus sin A whole to the power 2. Now we will write cos square A plus A plus B whole to the power 2, that means 1 square plus 2 sin A, 2AB, 2A means 1, B means sin A, 2 sin A plus sin square A by cos A into 1 plus sin A. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 square A means 1 plus 2 sin A by cos A into 1 plus sin A. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So we will write here 2 plus 2 sin A by cos A into 1 plus sin A. When we will take common 2, then we will get 1 plus sin A by cos A into 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A cancel. We will get 2 into 1 by cos A. And we have idea 1 by cos A means sec A. So we can write 2 sec A. Verified RHS. It's our result.